see the dirt or like brown juice coming out of it. Seatbelt. We did steam clean them later down the line, but we had to we couldn't go the traditional way cleaning these. We had to like clean them down first before we can get inside the car and start steam cleaning them. So we sprayed them down with degreaser and just power washed them. And as you can see, we have them hanging outside the door. Pull them outside the door and then close the door on it so it's exposed. So we could really wash them down and get a lot of that mold off of it. A lot of that gunk. Yellow lights.